is Thando'S and I am 26 years old. I first came to iKhethelo when I was 11 years, and previously I had been living in another orphanage in Waterfall. Moving to the village changed my life because it brought me closer to my youngest sister, and it's where I first got introduced to God. Living in the village gave me the opportunity to attend some of the best schools, both in primary and in high school. My best memories while I was at the village was when, during the school holidays, the Redeemer Church team would come and visit, plan activities, and one of those activities would be a cooking competition. That is when I realized and decided that I wanted to be a chef. If I had not come to the village, I don't think I would have been introduced to God and attended one of the best schools in South Africa. And I wouldn't have gotten the opportunity to go to chef school, graduate, and even come here to work in Scotland. Supporting the village is important because it helps people like me dream big, work hard to reach our goals. And to someone thinking of supporting the village, I would encourage you to, because I don't think I would be here if people hadn't come out of their homes or wherever they are just to support me and the people that I lived with in the village. I am currently working in Scotland as a chef, and it's been very great. My plan for the next 3 years, I plan to work as hard as I can and save as much as I can so that I can one day open up my own restaurant. Yes. Thank you.